Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today I'm doing a Mickey and Minnie DIY Christmas challenge. It is hosted by Krafty Leeny and Life. Krafty Leeny is so awesome. You guys really need to check her out. She's just a sweetheart, and she just loves doing eclectic things like I do. And the Mug Life is Julia, and Julia loves boho, and she does a great job. You really need to go look at to see what she's doing. So let's get on with it. So the challenge was to do something Christmas, but do it with Mickey and Minnie. And so I bought this terrarium ball thing at Dollar Tree. And I thought, now what can I do? And I had this little Mickey and Minnie that my friend had given me, that a friend had accidentally given her in a box of stuff. And so I'm going to repurpose it and give it back to her for Christmas. So I'm just cutting, they were keychains, and I'm just cutting off the ring. And I kind of worked this out beforehand to see if these would fit, and they both did. I was surprised. So I'm taking a little bit of glue here, putting it all around, because I needed a flat surface for them to stand on. And this was a pain to get in there. You'll see that I still had to mess with it. Just a love-hate relationship with hot glue. After all that and burning my little finger, it still didn't stick. So I couldn't take it back out and try that again. So what I did was I just kind of lifted it up. And just sort of got it toward the opening. Try to keep my fingers out of the way. It's not the fingers that I get it on. It's when I'm trying to move things like this that I end up burning myself. The finger protectors would be great if I could put them all the way up to my elbows. Okay. So since Minnie seems a little larger than Mickey because she's got her arms spread out, I decided we'd try to get her in there first. Just seeing how to situate the two. Okay, so if I put them over closest to the wall, then they'll stay in there really nicely. Okay, take Mickey back out. Glue on the feet. Trying to get her in there so I don't smear glue all over the place. Don't you hate that when you get glue all over the place? Like right there. Ugh. Okay, now time for him. Okay, now that was the hardest part, was getting them in. Now the rest is a piece of cake with the frosting on top. Okay, so I have a couple of foam balls. I think these I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put them on a couple of dowels. And I'm going to paint them with the Waverly ink. Ooh, brand new bottle. Now I noticed you don't really rub it on, you really have to dab it on to get it in all the little holes of the styrofoam balls. So it took a while. Probably took longer to paint these than it did to put all the rest of it together. I found this paintbrush holder works really pretty good when you're trying to dry things. If you've got it on a skewer or a dowel or something, you just stick it in one of the holes and leave it there to dry. Okay, now I'm putting some Mod Podge in there on the wood round and around their feet. Oh, what I'm trying to do is get all those darn spider webs out of there because they were sticking to the Mod Podge, making it weird. Sometimes you just don't see them until you're doing something like this. Then I find out the other end is open. I like this snow from the Dollar Tree. That styrofoam tiny balls. No, it's clingy, it sticks to everything. It's worse than packing peanuts because it's so tiny. This has got like mica flakes in it and glitter, and it just looks nice. Okay, that's what it's looking like so far. Okay, so I left it for a while until the black styrofoam balls. So then I took them and I glued them on top to look like Mickey ears. I don't know where that video went. But anyway, the one covered up the hole and the other one I kind of smashed down. So I do appreciate you coming and visiting. And I always appreciate all my subbies. And we're getting there. We're getting to 1,000. Keep working at it. And I just want to say that each and every one of you is very important to me. You're like a family to me. Okay, go and watch the rest of the playlist. And I hope you enjoy. Bye, till later.